Hi, it's Ray Rudenberg from Unilock, and just want to tell you a little bit about our revolutionary new retaining wall system called U-Cara. U-Cara is a very cool two-component system, as a fascia panel and a backer block, and those two items go together and you can produce anything from retaining walls to grill islands, you name it. But the beauty of the system is that you can actually mix a lot of the panels and get different effects. As you can see here on the board, these accent ideas, there's so much you can do just by mixing panels. And you can insert rows, as you can see on this photo here. You can insert rows right into a retaining wall, creating a really unique look. A little closer look here at the U-Cara wall system. You can see here's that backer block, and it's got two rails on it. And then we've got the fascia panels that have little channels on them. So these fascia panels can be positioned anywhere along the tracks. And as you can see here, you can mix different types of panels to get different types of looks. And because the rails are on both sides of the block, you can clad both sides or one side, which is very efficient when you're doing planters. You don't want to have to put expensive material on the inside of a planter. As you can see, the U-Cara panels can be positioned anywhere along these tracks, which makes it very easy to become creative in terms of your panel positioning. This is a larger backer block, and the larger backer block you can build walls up to 12 feet in height with accompanying geogrid. So U-Cara is not only for retaining walls and planters and seat walls. You can also build columns out of the U-Cara, and you can do the same accents in the columns as well as what you do in the wall. In addition, the U-Cara panels can not only be shifted around all those SureTrack rails, the backer blocks can be moved in and out to give you this kind of three-dimensional look in a wall. Again, this is a revolutionary breakthrough in retaining walls, that you can create different looks, not only with color, with pattern, with texture, but also now with relief on the wall. So what we've got here outside in our U-Cara display is we've got the large backer blocks and the smaller backer blocks combined in one wall. You would use the bigger one. This could be like for a raised patio and with a seat wall on top. So the bigger blocks have been set back because, as you notice, there are little channels in here that allow you to position the blocks either vertically or with a setback. That gives it extra strength. And here you can see how the wall is clad on both sides for the seat wall, but below here on this side there's no panels required, and that's going to save you some money.